How to fix cannot add account in Windows Mail and Calendar app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys on how to fix the cannot add account in Windows Mail and Calendar app. So first of all, go to the settings and open apps. In the apps and features section, scroll down to find Mail and Calendar. Then click on its advanced options and scroll down a bit and click reset. After resetting this entire process, another thing you can do is go to the Microsoft Store. Click on the top right corner and click on settings and make sure the update apps automatically is turned on. Now search Mail app in the store and check for updates. Now open Windows PowerShell and run it as an administrator. Now type this command from the description below and press enter and wait for the process to complete. This is how you can fix cannot add account in Windows Mail and Calendar app. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.